Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Sir Dalji Batapos, and for today I'm gonna make a video tutorial regarding with some of the simple equations that we can actually solve. And with this techniques that I'll be giving to you, this will help you solve problems in a better way. So you're here, I'm here, so let's get started. So let's consider the first given equation here with the example of 7x minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 1. Now in this case, I assume that you know already the coefficient terms and constant terms present in this equation. So the first thing that you need to do for this one is actually we will try to regroup them. So as you can see in the first step here, we actually group those numbers or given that has actually a variable and together with the coefficients. And on the other side, we actually transferred those given that don't have variables at all. So in the first step, actually we did the regrouping. Now on the second step, as you can see there, we perform the basic operations of that one. So when we subtract 7x minus 5x, the answer is actually equal to 2x. And on the other side, we actually perform the addition operation. It's just simply adding 1 plus 5. So we have the sum of 6. Now on the next step, since we're trying to get the value of x here, we will try to eliminate 2 on the left side. So we actually divided it both sides. So 2 is eliminated, and on the other side, 6 is divided by 2. So we get the x value is equal to 3. And now I'll be giving the easy way or the fastest technique to answer the particular given equation earlier. So with the same format, the theorem 1 states that if ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, where your a, b, c, and e are real elements of real numbers, and the condition should be x should not equal to 0 and a should not equal to c. So with that, the proof given here, we come up with the equation to easily find the value of x with the formula of x is equal to d minus b divided by a minus c. So let's go back to the equation. So luckily we have the concept under the Vedic mathematics, so we can be able to solve the equation earlier, faster and better. So with the given equation, 7x minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 1, where your a is 7, your b is negative 5, and your c is 5, and your d is equal to 1. Now, since the equation actually satisfies the condition given earlier, we can now come up with, we can now use the formula given to us, which is x is equal to d minus b divided by a minus c. So all we need to do here is substitute all the value from a, b, c, and d. So here, we try to substitute all those values. So we come up with 1 minus negative 5 divided by 7 minus 5. So when we subtract 1 minus negative 5, the answer is 6. And we subtract 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. And we divide 6 minus 2, we come up the same answer earlier, which is exactly the same with x is equal to 3. As I have shown the two methods earlier, definitely the Vedic way of solving the equation is much faster than the conventional method. So with that, I hope you have learned something for today. So let's try to check if you really have learned something for what I have shown earlier. So given the equation, so consider this one, 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 6. Now, let's use the Vedic way of solving this one. In the formula is actually x is equal to d minus b divided by a minus c.
So all you need to do is to determine the values from A to B, where in this equation, your A is 3, your B is 4, your C is 2, and your D is 6. So as you go along with the equation, the answer should be x is equal to 2. And I hope you have learned something new for this video. Thanks.